How to use vLink Hub. Now that you are registered and logged in on vLink Hub, you will be able to view your own account, a comprehensive view of all orders associated with your business account, including PODs within a 3-month window of delivery. The landing page shows 3 separate tabs: All Orders, In Process, and Dispatched. There is also an account selector, which indicates the specific account codes that you have access to. Click the drop-down to select the required account code. You can search on orders by using the Search On filter drop-down, or use the dynamic Search For field. The date from and to fields are set for the last month, but can be amended as required. Once a selection of orders has been filtered, you're able to download the list by clicking on the prompt on the left-hand side. As this downloads in XLS, you will then be able to dissect and collate the data to suit your own requirements. On finding more information about a specific required order, you can see further detail by clicking on the order summary line or by using the arrow on the right. The details will provide the actual items, including stock codes of the goods supplied and the delivery address. You can export the single order summary by clicking on the export order in XLS format on the left-hand side. To close the order detail, just click on the order summary line or the arrow once again. Tracking of the order and obtaining a POD is available once the order has been dispatched. The courier will indicate APC and the consignment number is hyperlinked to APC website, in which the consignment number and delivery postcode should be entered to track. You can also obtain images and pin location once the order has been handed over. If you have orders delivered to regional RDCs or PDI centres, in most cases the POD is emailed at the point of handover. If you are not receiving these, can you please advise our customer service team by emailing sales@vgroupinternational.com of your account code and the email address that the POD should be sent to, and we can get that updated immediately. How to manage your own account. Your profile can be found by clicking on your name or icon on the top right-hand corner next to the log out icon, or alternatively in the navigation bar, under Account. The left-hand side displays individual profile showing email address, full name, and encrypted password. You can amend the relevant fields by clicking on the pencil icon. Directly underneath your profile, you can delete your user account. Please be careful. If you carry out this task, you will need to re-register again and request access to the relevant account codes. On the right-hand side, you can see the accounts that you are associated with and the level of access to each: branch user, APP, or administrator, ADM. Directly under the Business Access section, you can request access to another account code. When you have performed this task, an email is sent to your account administrator who will verify and approve your request. You will receive an email advising that the acceptance has been actioned. Please refresh your screen to view. We hope that you find the new vLink Hub beneficial and would ask you to look out for future releases with new and exciting functionality in development.